In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Dry Roller Krita. Open Krita and press B to switch to the brush tool. Open the brush presets docker on the right side, search for Dry Roller, and click the brush to select it. Dry Roller is useful for creating textured strokes with a rough, dry paint effect. It works well when you need visible texture, uneven coverage, and natural-looking brush marks. Adjust the brush size using Shift plus Drag or the size box in the top toolbar. Use larger sizes for wider strokes and smaller sizes for details. Control the paint flow by adjusting opacity. Lower it for softer and lighter strokes and increase it for stronger paint coverage. If you use a drawing tablet, apply light pressure for thinner and lighter strokes and heavier pressure for thicker and darker strokes. Use this brush when adding rough textures, dry paint effects, or surface details. Drag the brush slowly across the canvas to create more visible texture. Build up your strokes gradually with multiple passes instead of applying one heavy stroke. And that's how to use Dry Roller in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.